我大個個夢想係做一個歌星，因為我好中意唱歌，同埋我唱歌想令到所有人開心。
我哋好朋友係阿 Lula，
我哋好朋友去所有，
我哋一齊去行山，同埋踩單車，好開心。
我哋中意係Miss Yvonne，因係Miss Yvonne成班我。我最中意係太陽筒，因為佢中意打籃球。我最中意Miss Yvonne，因為Miss Yvonne教我好多嘢。Love the teacher because they love us. My best friend is Bella because we learn together and play together. My best friend is Bella because we play together and learn together. My best friend is Sammy because I play together. My best friend is Yantas because we play together. Thank you, teacher. I love you all.
Thank you, teacher. We love you.
My classmates make me feel happy here.
Mario is my good friend.
Marwella is my good friend. I like Miss Yvonne and Miss Lam because they make me happy. 我最中意自習時間，因為可以同好多朋友玩。我想做一個醫生，因為我好盡力幫人。我好朋友 Jill， 好朋友 John， 我就一直去玩，好開心。我最中意Miss Yvonne， 因為Miss Yvonne好好人。我猜猜也唔會啱話。The one thing I love about kindergarten are the teachers. They gave so much love and care in the past 4 years. That's why I love going to school every day. The English drama play because I am in and I love it. I love English because I can learn and play. Thank you, Miss Yvonne and Mr. Jeffrey. I love your class. The teachers because they help us learn. I love them. Thank you, Miss Yvonne and Miss Lam. You are the best. My best friend is Luca because we learn a play at school. Thank you, Miss Yvonne and Miss Lam, for teaching me how to be a good student. You are the best. The 3 play activity because I learn to play. I love it. 我係張太成幼稚園讀書好開心，校長、老師、叔叔、姐姐，多謝你，開大好快升小學，我會掛住你哋㗎。